Uy! Itong bagong device ni Huawei caught me by surprise. It's so lightweight. Hindi mo akalain na this is a laptop na bagong release ni Huawei. And this is called the HUAWEI Matebook 14, 2024. Naalala ko mga previous na unbox ko na Huawei na 40-inch na laptop isn't this lightweight. Yan no guys, sobrang gaan niya. And balita ko, this one's being powered by Intel Ultra 7 na processor and a Intel Arc graphics card. Together with a 16 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, and with a super duper lightweight na frame plus touchscreen, hindi ko na siya papatagalin. Buksan muna natin. And so for the unboxing part, kita natin this box, the typical Huawei na box. And gusto ko kay Huawei, they always use recyclable materials. Good for the environment. And it also comes together with a Office of Home and Student License 2021. Buksan natin. Yan, ganito ang packaging niya. We got our 65 watts na standard charging brick na Type-C port, a user guide, and ito, naka-styro pa. 1 and 2. Buksan natin. Fresh na fresh pa siya, oh. Buksan natin. Uy, may cover pa siya. Tanggalin natin lahat. And that's about it for the unboxing part. Now, one thing na mapapansin mo is sobrang nipis niya. This is around mga 14.5mm pag sinara mo. And it's weighing just around mga 1.3 kilograms all in all. Maganda naman kanyang vent dito sa ilalim. And meron din siyang rubber strip dito para hindi siya mag-skid sa table. Plus may dalawang speaker siya, isa dito and yung isa dito. We have your Windows 11 sticker and NTC logo. Now on the left side, kita mo Type-C charging port mo, USB Type-C, HDMI port, and your combo audio jack. And on the other side, it's just a simple na USB 3 port. And pag once na binuksan mo, mapapansin mo sobrang nipis ng kanyang screen. Then we have your power button dito na also acts as a fingerprint scanner. Your Intel stickers over here. Your trackpad dito is quite generous naman ng kanyang size. And okay naman ng kanyang keyboard layout. Pakinggan natin ang sound dito sa keyboard. Well, tahimik naman siya. So i-boot up natin. Bilangan natin kung ilang seconds siya mo-boot up. So let's press. Antayin natin yung Huawei logo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 seconds, guys. Boot up na siya. Ganun kabilis pala itong Intel Ultra 7. Now, one thing to like about is ang ganda ng kanyang display. Now, itong screen na has a 2.8K display na OLED and it also has a 120Hz of dynamic high refresh rate. Meron din siya multicolor gamut switching, TV Rainland iComfort certified, and support din niya stylus which is sold separately. Best of all, touchscreen siya. Now, one thing to like about the kanyang display is almost bezel-less. Kita mo, symmetrical ang kanyang bezels dito, which is quite thin. And what's impressive din dito, nakapaglagay din siya ng camera dito and hindi na kailangan umbok dito. Good siyang kanyang design. Dahil sa nipis na kanyang bezel, this one has a 91% na screen-to-body ratio, meaning, well, it's basically almost bezel-less, just the way I like it. And this one has 450 nits na maximum brightness. One thing na magugusto mo dito sa kanya is that it gives you a visual feast beyond cinema. Meaning, yung kanyang view dito, especially when you're watching your favorite videos or your favorite shows, it feels more cinematic than yung mga regular na LED panel display. And kasi this one is already a OLED display. Now, one thing na magugusto ng mga content creator about this laptop is that this one has a multi-color gamut switching for the professional users. You can switch between sRGB, DCI-P3, or Adobe RGB, which is previously pinagmamalaki ng mga MacBook but not this time around. Kayang-kaya na rin ni HUAWEI Matebook 14. Now, this time around, this one has a smoother viewing with 120Hz of screen refresh rate. So, meaning kung nagbabrowse ka sa mga Facebook, sa mga social media, or just simply browsing the web, scrolling on Google Chrome, it gives your eyes a more battery-smooth na transition. Mafe-feel mo yung changes, especially when you're coming from a 60Hz na screen refresh rate na laptop. And it also has a 10-point na touch control, meaning you can do everything dito on the touchscreen. And probably the perfect time na pwede mong gamitin ka ng touchscreen is pag nagsiscroll ka sa social media. And sabi ni Huawei, this one has 1920Hz high-frequency dimming. It reduced the flicker and it also has a TV Rainland iComfort 2.0. Meaning if you're looking at this laptop for more than 2 to 3 hours on a daily basis, it gives you more eye protection. Based on my personal daily usage, okay na okay ka na display, especially when watching your favorite shows dito on YouTube or on Netflix. And you can even watch your favorite videos on HD format. So balita ko tong HUAWEI Matebook 14 2024 has really loud speakers. Check lang natin yung kind of sound quality. So ayun, narinig na yung sound niya, malakas siya, and what's nice dito sa kanya is clear siya and hindi siya tunog lata pag sinagad mo siya. Now, another thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is that this one has a 70 watt-hour na large battery capacity. And this one can power from day to night, and it gives you roughly a 19 hours na screen on time if you're watching 1080p video for the whole day. But based on my personal daily usage dito, browsing the web, doing some web chat, and doing some video editing, this one can last me more or less nasa 6 to 7 hours on daily average usage. What's nice din naman dito sa kanya is that you can use yung mga 65 watts charger ni Huawei, yung mga galing sa P60 promo or galing sa Pura 70 promo, you can use it here dahil it supports Huawei Supercharge. And if you're going to a place na madalang mga charging socket, fear not kasi pwede ka bumili ng mga power bank na very nice and very handy like the Anker na GAN Prime power bank. Hindi lang to basta-basta power bank, also has a charging pin dito, so meaning you can use this as a wall charger. Kakabit mo siya dito sa PD port niya, and ang kabila charge mo lang dito sa Type-C port niya. This one can give you an additional 10 hours, pretty good. If you're a Huawei smartphone user, definitely magugustuhan mo rin itong laptop na ito dahil this one supports the super device, meaning you can connect to your Huawei phone, be it si Mate 60 Pro, si P60 Pro, or si Pura 70 series. You can use your phone as your primary camera, and you can transfer files to and from your smartphone seamlessly. Now, one of the good things na magagawa mo dito when you connect it via multi-device, you can mirror. Pwede mo gawin siya extension din ng screen mo. Like this one, let's say, gagalaw ko yung mouse ko, lilipat lang siya dito, ayan umikot lang siya dito, or pwede mo siyang gawing collaborate. So, depends sa yung usage, it's very useful. Connecting my MateBook 14 to my MatePad 11.5S. Ang ganda, no? Parang on one side, it's Windows, and pag lipat mo ng mouse mo, it's Harmony OS, astig. Or you can also connect it to your phone like the Huawei Pura 70 Pro. And another thing to consider is maganda rin ang kanyang web camera. This one has a 1080p na UHD camera, and meron din siyang AI voice enhancement. So meaning it gives you a crystal clear na video recording, and gusto lang natin siya i-test out right now. Check this video out. So guys, right now we're recording using the front-facing camera ni Huawei Matebook 14 2024 edition. And I would say na clear ang kanyang video, and right now we're also using the default microphone dito na embedded dito sa laptop na ito. And what can you say about the quality? I would say for me, based on what I can see here, it's nice, clear, 1080p ang kanyang resolution, and I'm more than happy to use this one as my main daily driver pang web conferencing, pang video chatting. Okay na itong laptop na ito. Okay guys, ano masabi nyo? So there you go guys, nakita nyo na yung recorded na video quality na itong laptop na ito using its web camera. Now for me, yung internals sa itong laptop na ito is very powerful. This one has the Intel Core Ultra 7 na 155H, and ang kanyang clock speed is 3.8 GHz together with a 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage. And it also comes together with a Windows 11 na home single language installed and a Office Suite for Student 2021. So meaning hindi mo na kailangang problemahin ang license na Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, everything na ginawa ko naman dito sa laptop na ito, I'm really satisfied editing my videos here, watching my videos, doing some Photoshop works dito. I would say, sobrang seamless naman tong laptop na ito. It can really perform without any problem. Plus yung kanyang storage ng 1 TB, for me, it's more than enough on a day-to-day basis. Dahil ang kanyang read and write speed is quite fast, transferring to and from my storage devices. Now, if you're a content creator editing your videos here sa Premiere Pro or other app like the DaVinci Resolve, I suggest you buy a Bluetooth wireless mouse. Meron din si Huawei, and I've been using this one. Quite nice and ergonomic naman siyang gamitin. And one thing na sobrang na-appreciate ko sa mga Huawei laptops that this one has a Metaline antenna installed. So meaning mas malakas siya sumagap, and you can achieve faster na download and upload speed on this laptop. And together with a Super Hub, itong laptop na ito is giving me a very good productivity dahil I can do copy and paste on a whole new level. And another thing na kailangan ko sabihin sa inyo is that this one has dual shark fin, hindi yung pagkain na shark fin. This one has dual shark fin na fans, giving you better cooling dito sa laptop ito. Mafe-feel mo yan especially when you're exporting sa Premiere Pro na mga heavy files. Aba, sa ibang laptop, feel mo, iinit siya. This one, iinit, pero up to a certain level, mabilis mag-dissipate ang kanyang init. Kasi I've exported quite a number of videos na rin using this laptop. And tested ko na rin. Now guys, with a starting price of $59,999, what's not to love about the Huawei Matebook 14 2024? It has everything that I like on a laptop, and even more. Mas mataas ang aking productivity dito, and for me, it's one of the most portable laptop I have used today. So if you're interested to purchase one of this laptop, click the link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.